Now I'm going to show you how to stretch your two pec muscles properly, Pec Major and your Pec Minor, along with your bicep tendon, because a lot of times people have upper pec pain. It goes and crosses all the way up into your anterior shoulder. Well, that's the connection for your bicep. So these are 3 good stretches that are going to just help stretch and open everything up in your upper chest area. So the first is we're going to stretch Pec Major, and that's the main hunk of your chest that connects to your sternum all the way to your collarbone. And so what we're going to do is you find a wall and then put your arm just directly back. You want it just directly parallel with the floor, and you want your chest up, and then with your other hand you're going to push away. And so I got my right hand on the wall, and then also my right leg forward, and then you're just going to sink into it. And then while you're sinking into it, push up a little bit with your left hand, and that's going to really stretch that Pec Major. Then we're going to stretch Pec Minor. So what you're going to do, shake it out, come back, directly parallel with the floor, and then you're going to bring it up about to 45 degrees, and then stretch it again. Now this is stretching all Pec Minor, because Pec Minor is a smaller muscle underneath your pecs and has a little higher connection. And so by doing this and sinking down a little lower, it's stretching that muscle rather than just your entire pec muscle. Now finally, I'm going to show you how to stretch your bicep. So, as you guessed it, about the same setup, right here, here, same setup as the Pec Major, but instead of having your hand flat, you're going to make a C and put it flat, and then lean into it. Now go very careful, because your biceps are a much smaller muscle than your pecs, so if you go too fast into it, you can hurt or strain it. So make a C and just lean and do it again, and you'll feel that almost immediately in your bicep heads, because that's a really big stretch. Ooh. And then, once you stretch, give her one of those and you should be good.